All right, guys, welcome back to another episode of Computer Applications. In today's lesson, there really is only two big things that you're going to need to learn. We're going to be taking a look at what we call gradient backgrounds as well as slide transitions. So let's hit the backgrounds first. As you take a look at your backgrounds, one of the big things that we looked at previously was using an image, also changing the background color. But if you notice up here at the top, we also have gradient backgrounds. Now, gradient backgrounds are kind of cool because when you apply them, you'll notice that there is a kind of a wash of color, right? It starts out more of a white and becomes more of a true red down below. So you're going to be playing around and taking a look at that as you look at the different slides. Now I'm just going to add a new slide just for openers here. And the other thing we're going to be taking a look at is using transitions. So when you click on a slide, you'll notice one of the buttons up here is transitions. This transition will open the transition menu, and the transition will help you transition from one slide to another. One of the things we're going to look at here in the future is what we call an animation. An animation changes things that happen on a slide. A transition changes one slide to another slide. So as you change from one slide to another slide, you'll notice here that you have some options here to dissolve, fade, slide left, slide right, flip cube, gallery, all these, right? What you're going to be doing is you can choose really any of these. Personally, I like the slide from right effect here. So as you transition from slide to slide, or start the presentation, as the case may be, you will be able to look at that as we go forward. So you can, as you see here, right, you can change these different effects here. Let's do something different here. Let's do dissolve. So when you go into present, right, you'll notice here's our gradient background, and it just dissolved into the next slide. Right. Ooh, fancy. Again, like I said, there's a whole bunch of different things you can do. If we do a cubed effect, right? Let's go back. Yep. So here's our cube effect, as the case may be. One of the things that you can do is you can actually apply one effect to all slides by clicking the apply to all slides. So now if we add in new slides, right, notice they're all the same. So if you present, boom, 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 right? Pretty straightforward. That's all that you're going to be doing in this lesson in terms of new stuff, though, so you should be in good shape. So I'm going to cut the recording here and let you get started.